thinking ahead. B for bat that flies so high. B for ball that bounces by. C for cat who loves to nap. C for cup beside her lap. D for dog who runs in spots. D for dots in pray for lots. E for egg so smooth and white. E for elephant big and bright. F for frog near the little dish. F for fish that swim and swish. G for goat who loves to pass. G for green and tasty grass. H for hand that waves at you. H for hat in colors new. I for ink in a bottle blue. I for insect crawling too. J for juice that's sweet and far. J for jam kept in a jar. K for king in golden light. K for kite that soars in flight. L for lamb so soft and sweet. L for leaf beneath his feet. M for man who says hello. M for monkey swinging low. N for neck where scarves go close. N for nose above the nose. Cute rhyme twist. O for ocean deep and wide. O for oar by a boat's side. P for plum in purple hue. P for part saying how are you. Q for queen in royal mail. Q for quail with tiny tail. R for rope that ties up tight. R for rat who loves to bite. Funny cute. S for sun up in the sky. S for sunflower standing high. T for tap where water drips. T for tub for bubble trips. U for uncle smiling bright. U for umbrella in the light. V for violin playing slow. V for violet's purple glow.